Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to update a game or match a game with a user on your Nintendo Switch. So if we're trying to play Super Smash and we have different versions, we want to press options on it or the plus icon, go on down to where it says software update. And you could try via the internet and updating this manually right here. It looks like I'm using the latest version. They probably don't update that game very much anymore. But if we're trying to do like a LAN party or something, we can go to match version with local users. You can communicate with local users to unify your software version. Select A on it. And you can make a group. Let's go to next. And then you can create a group or join a group. So I can see me in here and someone else will have to join me. But we'll sync up the versions so you can go ahead and play. So just go to that section and you can update via the internet and you should be good to go now. Well, hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.